Conversion of unlike fraction to like fraction by LCM method. Let us take an example. We have to convert 3 by 4, 5 by 6, and 7 by 8 into like fractions. We will use the method of finding LCM by common division method. Step 1. Find the LCM of denominators 4, 6, 8. We take 4, 6, 8 and divide them by common factor 2. Then by 2 again. Then by 2 again. Then by 3. Our LCM is 24. Fill in the LCM of 4, 6, 8, which is 24. Writing all the fractions one below the other. We now convert 3 by 4, such that the denominator is 24. Step 3. Convert 5 by 6 so that the denominator is 24. Step 4. Convert 7 by 8 so that the denominator is 24. There we have it. We have converted all fractions into like fractions.